Everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to turn on pause mode in Finch. Finch is a mental wellness and self-care app designed to help users build healthy habits and improve their overall well-being. The app features a virtual pet bird that grows and thrives as you complete self-care activities such as mood thinking, tracking, journaling, and the mindfulness exercise. And sometimes you may not be able to keep up with a self-care routine, and that is okay. Finch allows you to turn on pause mode, which temporarily pauses your pet's growth and daily activities without losing your progress. So let's see how to enable it step by step. So first you need to open to your Finch app and make sure you are logged into your account so that your settings can be saved. And once you reach into this Finch dashboard, in the top left we can see there's a three-lined icon. Select to this three-lined icon, and over here scroll a bit down until you find the pause mode over here, and it is typically under your data. Simply enable this icon that says pause mode and select turn it now. And whenever you're ready to resume, you can simply go back to the same setting and tap disable or turn off pause mode. Your pet will continue from you left off. And that is it. Pause mode make it easy to take a break without losing progress, so you can manage your self-care routine at your own pace. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. If you have any trouble or confusion, please comment down and we will reach out to you very soon.